Joey, what's the difference between a density fill and SMP hairline restoration?
What's the difference between a density fill on a thinning scalp and recreating a person's hairline? Great question. On a density fill, it's just like the name says. We're adding density to a thinning scalp. During a density fill, most people still have their hairline, whether it's receding or it's still at the original location on their head. The hair is normally thinning on top, and we're just replicating hair follicles to make it look a lot thicker and fuller. For SMP hairline restoration, we're still going to add density to the back and top of the scalp. The key difference is we're now going to recreate the person's hairline and customize it to fit their individual needs. This is why hairline restoration costs more than a density fill. In a nutshell, density fill is for people who have thinning hair but still have their hairline and they don't plan on losing any more hair. Hairline restoration is for people who don't really have anything on top. Me personally, I have hairline restoration.